it's your boy Kenny G488. Finally getting ready to put a little bit of audio inside the Expedition. I don't know why I said Expo, I'm sorry. And I've seen this company has been blooming up lately everywhere, all on Facebook, Instagram, all out at the big car events and stuff like that, big car shows. And so I went to a friend of mine and he hooked me up with a different brand of speakers. Now we're going to try it out. And I'm going to use this Expedition as my little test vehicle and let you guys know how I like the mid-range. But this is the company I'm going to use this here. DS18. We got it's kind of bad because of the sun. We got 212s, the XL series. Man, the sun is messing it up really bad. Those. And then we got 8 6.5 Pro series. And then we got 2 10-inch Pro series also. So let's go ahead and put them inside the truck and hear how they sound.
Cuando no la llamo, siempre me hace reclamo. Discutimos, peleamos, pero llego a casa en la noche, la molesto y arreglamos. Peleamos, nos arreglamos, nos mantenemos en esa, pero nos amamos. Ahí vamos. Qué pena me daría no tenerte en mi vida, vida mía, mami. Peleamos, nos arreglamos, nos mantenemos en esa, pero nos amamos. Y ahí vamos. Qué pena me daría no tenerte en mi vida, vida mía.